Hi guys, today I want to show you how to create Excel files for phone numbers. Today I want to send SMS messages and I have a list of phone numbers that are not properly formatted. So for me to be able to send SMS, I need to put a plus sign in front of the phone number, and I have to do this in Microsoft Excel, and there are some tricks there. So let me open the file. It's a CSV file, and I deleted the first name and last name because I want the privacy. These are real numbers. I want the privacy for my customers. So you see the phone numbers that I have are in the regular 344 numbers, but I need a plus and 1. So how I'm gonna do that? If I go in, if I try to put like a plus sign, Excel will think that is a formula and it's not working. So I'm gonna reformat the whole column. So how I do this, I'm gonna highlight the column. I'm gonna press on my keyboard in the same time, Control and 1. And these format cells will pop up, and I'm gonna go in custom. I'm gonna change here I go here in 0 and I want to put plus 1, and I leave 0 here because 0 signifies the whole number that I check. And then I press OK, and voila, all my numbers have 0, 1, 0, 1. Now I'm gonna save, just press this here, and I'm good to go. So hope this helps. If you need more tips, please follow my my channel, and I'm trying to share tips or shortcuts or whatever I do to make my life as an online entrepreneur easier. Okay, because that's a lot of work. So I will see you soon. Bye now.